Hello children, very good morning. How are you all? All are fit and fine? Very good. Welcome to English class. So in the previous class we learned children name the pictures, choose the words from the help box and look at the picture and write the name from the help box. Is it? In the English class we did practice. Is it? So today's class will continue. So before that you have to open your textbook and take out your pencil. Literacy skill book open. Okay, very good. And take out your pencil. Okay, page number 16 open children. Page number 16. Okay, very good. And take out a pencil now. Yes. So now here is the practice it is there. What is the practice? Match the words with the pictures. So can you see a pictures up and down? Both the sides? Is it? Yes. So middle they had given the words. Is it? Words they had given. So you had to match their correct words with a picture. Okay? With the words you have to match their pictures. Okay? See. Tell me what is the first picture? Bag. Is it? It's a bag, no? Yes. What it is next picture? Bed. Next? Yes. Mug. Okay, mug. Next, pen. Next, hat. Okay, next picture. Which picture it is? Bus. Next. Which picture? Pot. This? Kid. Okay, kid. This? Cap. Okay, very good. Next. Fan. And this? Run. The girl is running, no? Yes. This? Tap. Next. Mop. Next. Nib. So pencil needle is a nib, okay? Nib. Next. Man. Man. Next. Pin. Next. Can. Is it? Yes. So, help of these pictures we had to match the words. Okay. So, now see. Bag. It is a bag, no? Yes. What is a bag spelling? B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. Is it? So, match bag. See, where is the bag spelling here? B-A-G. Here's B-A-G. So, take pencil and match. Draw the line to bag picture. B-A-G, bag. Spell the spelling and match it. B-A-G, bag. Very good. Next, bed. Bed is it. B-A-D. B-E-D, bed. See here is B-E-D, bed spelling. B-E-D, bed. So match it. Okay, very good. Next, mug. Which picture it is? Mug. Mug spelling M-U-G. Here is the first one word. M-U-G, mug. So match it. M-U-G, mug to mug picture. Okay, very good. So now next, which picture it is? Pen. Pen spelling P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. So third word. Here is P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. Very good. Next, hat. Hat. Hat spelling H-A-T. Here H-A-T. H-A-T, hat. So match your H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. Very good. So now next down pictures. Okay, next which picture it is? Bus. Bus spelling B-U-S, bus. B-U-S, bus. So match bus word to picture. B-U-S, bus. B-U-S, bus. Next, pot. Pot. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. So match your P-O-T, pot. Spell the spelling and match. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. Very good. Next, this boy. He's a boy, no? Yes. Called kid. Okay, kid. K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. Here is a word. K-I-D, kid. So match K-I-D, kid to boy. K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. Very good. Now next picture. Cap. Cap. C-A-P. Here is a C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. So match C-A-P, cap to picture. C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. Very good. Okay, once again we'll read the words. M-U-G, mug. M-U-G, mug. C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. B-U-S, bus. B-U-S, bus. B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. Okay. So next page here. Page number 17. Here also children we had to match word with picture. Okay. See. Which picture it is? Fan. Is it? Yes. So fan spelling F-A-N. F-A-N, fan. So match here. F-A-N. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. Next, run. Run. The girl is running, no? Yes, run. R-U-N. R-U-N, run. So match R-U-N, run with the girl picture. Okay, R-U-N, run. Next, tap. Tap. Which picture it is? Tap. So tap here. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. From the tap, what will come? Water. Is it? Yes. So match tap with the picture. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. Next, mop. Mop. What is a mop spelling? M-O-P, mop. Yeah, we'll use in the house, no? Yes, we'll mop to clean our house. Yeah, is it? You will clean your house. Your mother will clean, no? Floor. Yes. With the mop, we'll clean floor, house and all. Is it? Yes. So, mop spelling M-O-P. M-O-P, mop. So, match M-O-P, mop. M-O-P, mop. Very good. Next, nib. Nib. So, this is a nib. Nib spelling N-I-B. N-I-B, nib. So match nib, N-I-B, nib. N-I-B, nib. Okay, next. Man. Man. So here 3 mans are there, is it? Yes, we had to call them man. Only one man is there means we have to call man. Okay, one man. Okay, so many means men. Okay, now men spelling men, man, men, man. So match it, men, man to picture. Man. Next, pin. Is a pin? Yes. So match it, pin with a word. Pin spelling P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. Here. P-I-N, pin. Very good. Next, can. Can or tin. Okay, can spelling C-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. So match it with the can picture. C-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. Okay, once again we'll read the words. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. M-O-P, mop. M-O-P, mop. C-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. N-I-B, nib. N-I-B, nib. R-U and run. R-U and run. M-E-N, men. M-E-N, men. Okay, so what we learned today's class? What we wrote, children? Practice. Match the words with the pictures. Practice. Match the words with the pictures. Is it? Yes, today's class we done matching. So here write up CW. CW means what? Classwork. So both the pages write CW. Okay, very good. So children, this you have to write in the 4-line book. Okay, only you have to write the words. Okay, only write the words. Middle what they had given the words, no, this all you have to write in the 4-line book. Okay, this is a homework. 4-line book you have to write these words: mug, cap, pen, kid, hat, pot, bag, bus, bed, tap, pin, mop, can, fan, nib, run, man. So these words you have to write in the 4-line book. Okay? Okay. So this is your homework to write in the 4-line book, and you have to send me to my WhatsApp number. Okay, children? Okay, very good. Thank you. Have a good day.